Well, g'day curd nerds, and welcome to day 26 of the Cheese a Day challenge. Today's cheese is queso manchego. Well, Manchego is a Spanish cheese. It's a sheep's milk cheese made from Manchego sheep, which is pretty cool. The ingredients, well, who's it made by? It's imported into Australia by Miguel Maestre, I think it says there, and it is an official PDO cheese or DOP cheese. Okay, so the ingredients: pasteurised sheep's milk, salt, lactic ferments, rennet, preservatives, lysozyme, preservatives 202, 235, and colorant E160B, which is annatto. It says the rind is not edible. Okay, fair enough. It's 150 grams and it cost me $6.50 from Woolworths. So it's a fairly hard cheese, but let's crack into it and see what it tastes like, shall we? Now, I have made Manchego before on the channel. There's a recipe to it at the info card up there. You can check it out. Now, this is one of those impossible to open cheeses, is it? Right, I'll fix you. No. I didn't say what the fat content was. Nothing on the front. On the back it says 36.5 grams of fat. Or, sorry, percent fat. That's 36 grams per 100, which makes it 36%. Okay. Now, it said because the rind's not edible, I'm going to cut it off right now. Nice. Didn't go all the way through. There we go. Put that over there. I'll leave that big bit on there. Don't know if I won't get to that today. All right. Oh, forgot about the recommended serving size. Oh, 30 grams. I can have 30 grams today. All right. Now, it smells sweet. Smells a bit like cheese that you put lipase with. Anyway. So normally this would be fairly white because sheep's milk doesn't have much beta carotene in it. So that's why they added the annatto to give it a little bit of a yellow colour, I think. Anyway, let's try a bit without the cracker first. Very rich. I can actually taste some, feel the crunch of tyrosine crystals or calcium lactate. Very nice. It's it's earthy. It tastes earthy. It's got a really good flavour. A little bit piquant. Definitely not as strong as, say, Parmesan or Romano. It's a little bit like Pecorino Romano, the sheep's milk Romano. Just a little bit like that. If you've ever had any of that before. Very nice. I like it a lot. There really is something about sheep's milk cheese that tantalises the taste buds. It could be because of the high fat content of the milk before you start making cheese out of it. But it's that little special. It's very hard to describe the flavour of sheep's milk cheese. If you can find some, we'll try Manchego to start with, or Pecorino Romano, which is the Italian style, well, kind of like this. Remembering this is from Mancha, a specific sheep in Spain, Manchego breed. But yeah, it really does taste amazing, really lovely, rounded flavour in the mouth. So, well, that's Manchego anyway. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget that tomorrow's cheese is going to be something special from Switzerland, some Gruyere. So we're going to try Gruyere tomorrow. I've made it before, and hopefully mine, if I can remember what it tastes like, will be similar to the real thing. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds. If you want to make Manchego, check out the recipe card here. And don't forget that you can buy all the equipment and supplies over at littlegreenworkshops.com.au. Well, thanks for watching, Curd Nerds, and I'll see you next time.